Welcome to your dream home in the heart of tranquility and elegance, presenting a captivating 4-bedroom residence plus an office where mountain views and modern luxuries combine to create the perfect haven for you and your family. Step inside and be enchanted by the immaculate interior, adorned with luxurious hardwood floors, newly installed windows, and fresh paint, exuding a timeless charm that complements modern comforts. With not one, but 3 living areas, there's room for everyone to relax, entertain, and cherish life's precious moments together. Create unforgettable memories in these cozy and inviting spaces. Escape to your private retreat, the main bedroom, which boasts plush new carpeting, creating a cozy sanctuary for your relaxation and rejuvenation. Step into your own oasis, where the backyard beckons with a heated pool, inviting you to unwind and soak in the picturesque surroundings. Revel in the privacy and tranquility of having no back neighbors, ensuring you can enjoy peaceful moments in nature. Your 3-car garage is not just spacious, but meticulously designed with sealed and painted floors, adding a touch of practicality and style. Embrace a lifestyle of luxury and convenience, surrounded by breathtaking mountain views and a community that cherishes the beauty of nature. Your perfect home awaits. Schedule a private tour today and witness the elegance and grandeur of this exceptional property. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Welcome home. I'm Jessie Gonzalez, the real estate matchmaker with RE/MAX Associates, where dreams come to life.